Hello, it is Sunday, April 26th, 2020. And this is Mrs. Haack in her kitchen. There is a dishwasher running. I'm sure you'll hear it periodically. We are entering week 5 of distance learning, distance teaching. I don't think I ever would have believed it would go this long. This week we're going to have to take things a little bit different direction. The governor announced on Thursday, after the last time we met, that you would only have school this week on Monday through Thursday. So there will be no class for you on Friday or Monday. That means that since this biology classes are in the morning, day ones will be Monday and Wednesday this week. And I have 4 parts to the things that I'd like for you to work on this week. Last week we took a look at the epidemic of the HIV outbreak. And this week we're going to take a look at what happens inside the immune system as the body is fighting off any kind of an infection. And the first thing what I did was I put my notes into a video and put a picture of those notes. I would like for you to take a picture of those notes. So I'll post the video on Google Classroom as an assignment. And then once you're done taking the notes, upload your own picture and submit that there, just because the details of the immune system, there's a whole lot of vocabulary. And if you skip that part 1, you might regret it later. Here in part 2, I will post a link to the Amoeba Sisters immune system, and it'll be an ed puzzle. I looked at this earlier and thought, oh, maybe we could just do the ed puzzle, and realize there's so much great vocabulary in there. And I really want you to practice that vocabulary and to have the opportunity to experience that, because these are words that you're going to have as a part of your life. The next one then is number 3 here, the Amoeba Sisters, antibiotics, antivirals, and vaccines. Again, these are words that are going to be part of our conversation for many, many parts of our life. And there's an ed puzzle that I'll post on Google Classroom. I'll probably post these first 3 things right away on Monday. And then just for Wednesday is a quiz. And the idea there being, take some time. You could split it up and do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday if you'd like to, but spend some time with those things throughout the week. Don't do it all in one great big block, because learning happens in little chunks. Oh yeah, try it again. Oh yeah, try it again. Oh yeah, and you keep building that process. I will tell you that this week we are emptying the science department. By Tuesday, our classrooms will be empty. And the last 3 weeks, we're going to take a look at biotechnology. And the reason I'm giving you this heads up right now is because there's some things that you might want to have if you want to extract DNA from cells. The first thing you need is some cells. Strawberry, kiwi, cheeks, bananas. Wait, cheeks? Yes, cheeks. You can use your own cheek cells if you would like to. It doesn't give quite as much, but you could do it. Bananas also work, though I've heard they strain kind of slowly. And beans work fantastic, like dry beans in the blender. And so some sort of cells, whatever kind you'd like. Strawberry is probably the easiest. Some soap, some salt, and some isopropyl rubbing alcohol will also work. Is also necessary to actually see the DNA. The DNA dissolves in water, but it is insoluble in isopropyl alcohol. And we're going to try that out and see how it works. And then a little bit later, we're going to be talking about how do humans manipulate life. Once we know the structure of the DNA, which we talked a little bit about before, and we're going to come back to again, then we can, as humans, we can manipulate things and do some biotechnology. So I hope this finds you well as we do our last 4 weeks of biology together. And sophomores, at the end of those 4 weeks, you are halfway done with high school, just 2 years left. I hope this finds you well, and week 5 of distance learning goes well for you.